pilots, Edward Hong here from FMCA in Republic of Korea. Today, let's look at how to accurately measure the CG and load balance at once. Instructions that comes with the purchase of a model aircraft usually include the CG point is marked in some manuals, and it is marked on the wing surfaces. In some manuals, it is also marked on the fuselage. As you know, the CG is the center of the lateral and longitudinal axis of an aircraft. If the airplane has the accurate CG, it would not lean left or right side during the takeoff and flight. In general, when pilots assemble the aircraft based on the CG marking on the main wing in the manual, then align the trim to the center and fly. In flight, if the aircraft leans, they align the trim on each pin to compensate. I call this the soft trim alignment. Of course, you have no problem enjoying a normal flight with just soft trim alignment. However, in special maneuver, for example, when you're doing knife edges, loops, inverteds, and loads, etc., you don't move the aircraft as easily as intended. So you need the lots of unnecessary operation to control harm. One of the ways to minimize these unnecessary key manipulations is just to make the accurate center point. I call this a Hardtrim alignment, and you can refer to this content in the Razor 260 indoor setting video posted before. In other words, soft trim alignment is trimming using software on the transmitter. Hardtrim alignment means setting accurate CG points in the indoor setting process. For novice pilots to fly without panic on their first flight, Hardtrim alignment must be performed during the indoor setting process. Now, let me explain how to do that. Open the page, mention CG on the manual, mark two positions on the left and right main wings, and then connect these points to obtain the center point on the fuselage. Now, you should consider the point and proceed with the agreement of all kinds of device locations. During the maiden flight of the ARS-300 after takeoff, I find the aircraft tilt to the left as shown in the video. And now I still flying it with the soft trim alignment. However, during some special maneuvers, I found the ARS-300 unstable. So I corrected the angle of attack and extended the outtake wider, but still needed the soft trim alignment. So I had no choice but to perform a hard trim alignment as shown in the picture. Let's check the effect on today's flight. First of all, I proceed with takeoff and landing in a soft trim alignment. As you can see, the general flight is very good. Again. Next, I will check the flight maneuvers with knife edge and single loop with stick corrections. First, knife edge maneuver. As you can see, precise maneuvering is not possible. As speed increases, the aircraft's instability increases, and your fingers become busier performing that maneuver. Here's the loop start. The same thing happens again. Now, let's land and check the status of the soft trim alignment. As you can see, the ailerons are out of the alignment. If the ailerons are not aligned, the rudder and elevator trims will not be aligned. The reason is that colors aligned trim is only horizontal straight flight in mind. Now, I will show you the correct CG as a pre-worked Hardtrim alignment. Hang a cable to the point, lift the aircraft, take a photo, and check the horizontal state. Next, level it using internal equipment or batteries. Now, let's remove the CG cables, put each trim back in neutral, and inspect each side. 자, 이거를 이렇게 딱 왼쪽으로. 그래서 조이면 돼. 그러면 이쪽으로 무게중심이 좀 이동이 된 거지. 이 상태에서 이제 날려보면 되는 거야.